family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is a super exciting video. We are going to be doing a major unboxing. I'm going to be telling you where I got everything from. We're going to do a little cleaning, and most importantly, today is your niece's birthday. Can you believe it? Nadia turned 6 years old. Nadia's actual birthday is March 31st. So I don't know when you're going to be seeing this video, but please comment happy birthday, Princess Nadia. All right, family, with that said, let's get into this fun video. Hey, what are you doing? Go. Today's video is sponsored by Factor. If you have a busy life like myself, but also want to make sure you're eating well and healthy, Factor is definitely the meal service for you. With Factor, you can skip the busy grocery lines, skip the cutting and prepping, and also skip the cleaning afterwards, while still getting the flavor and the nutritional quality that you need. I'm telling you, y'all, the food tastes absolutely amazing. Since starting Factor, I have not only been able to cut down on my grocery shopping time, my cutting and prepping time, and my cleaning time, I've also been able to improve my eating habits, but I don't have to do all the work myself. All I have to do is go to the website, choose the meals that I want for that week, and then it comes right to my doorsteps. Once the meals are here, prepping is a breeze. All I do is I grab what I want to eat today, poke a few holes in the plastic, pop it into the microwave for about 2 minutes, and just like that, I have a delicious gourmet meal that is not only healthy and nutritious, but it's also tasty. Head to factor75.com or click the link below and use code 50MERCYGONO to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first Factor box. That's code 50MERCYGONO at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first box. All right, family, the house is pretty clean except for that. I have a problem with that. The middle curtain fell out, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. I've been trying to keep it clean. I have a few things going on today. I have to unbox this thing. I got it over the Christmas, and then my Factor meals came in, and I'll show you guys what that is. This is what the curtains are supposed to look like. The middle one is supposed to be sheer, just like that one. This one fell out, and this is what it is right here. So I have to put that back up. I also have a lot of new kitchen stuff that I want to do. These are my only real plant in the house. This was a gift. It grows, it blooms, and then you cut it and start all over. So this is probably the third time we've cut it. And if you look really closely, it's starting to grow back. See that? It's pretty nice. And I think he got it from Walmart. Anyway, this is the dining area. Family, I have a big transition that's about to happen in the house. I cannot wait to share this with you guys. We're about to change a whole bunch of stuff. Y'all know I have been living here for about a year now. I've done quite a lot. We've done a lot of stuff, but I have a lot more to do, and I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. So I'm super, super excited about that. What are you eating, Missy?
Twizzlers.
Twizzlers? I like those. Do you like those? Oh, these I got from the TikTok shop. If you haven't seen that video, I think I posted the video on YouTube as well. These are really, really nice. I got them from the TikTok shop, and they were about $50. They are seating, but you can also open them. Nadia, go ahead and open. It's kind of hard at first. There you go. Good job. So it's actually storage too. You can store stuff in there, and you can make it taller, I guess. That looks kind of cool. All right, go ahead and close it back. No, go ahead and close it back. There you go. There you go. Good job. So we have lots and lots of seating up here, huh?
Right.
Let's go ahead and get the stuff. All right, y'all. You guys are always asking me to put your niece in the videos. I told you all that Nadia is camera shy, but if she doesn't know that the camera is rolling, she's just herself. I will say sometimes she does like to be in the videos, but most times when I really want her to be in the video, that's when she'll run away from me. Also, she's getting older, so she's not as camera shy as she was before. The only time she loves being in the videos is if I have her doing something. And usually when I'm cleaning or organizing, she likes to do it with me because she likes to learn. So with that, she likes being in the video, and you'll see that here. All right, family, so I have all of this stuff here. A lot of them come from Amazon or came from Amazon, but a lot of them came from Home Goods as well. These are a few little upgrades that I want to do to my kitchen. I'm going to be doing a much bigger upgrade, and I cannot talk to you guys about that right now, but stick around. But these are just a few new things that I wanted to add. So I'm going to unbox them with you guys, and I'm going to show you everything I got, okay? So let's get started. We're going to start with the smaller pieces first, all right? First thing first, these mittens. I got these from Marshall's, and they're really nice. They have these like sticky things, and it sticks to the pot when you hold it. They're pretty big, and these are washable. They're machine washable, so I like these a lot. My old ones, they're really old and raggedy, so I decided to get a new one. This is pretty standard. I don't like giving my good dishes away when I make food, so I always try to get some of these. These are only $6.99, and it is a pack of 12. It's a whole lot. Come here. What's wrong? Here, you can sit up here. You gonna help me? What are those?
Mittens.
Mittens, yes. Those are oven mittens, right?
Right.
Okay. So yeah, these I'm gonna be giving away, or storing my leftovers and things like that. I like the neutrals. That's why I got these colors. Once these are stained, they don't go back to being regular. So we all know that. Yes. These two, I really like these. I'm trying to do a lot of gold accessories, and I found these at Marshall's. I really like them. I already have some. Let me show y'all. Yeah, a lot of these came from Marshall's. These from Marshall's, these from Marshall's as well. They're gold and white, and I'm gonna be adding these gold ones. And then with these, I think these are only $3.99 a piece, y'all. They're really nice. And then we have this. These are stainless steel thongs. Again, gold, going with the gold theme. Really like them. These are from Marshall as well. These are just some dish cloth, I guess. But these are the Clorox brand, and it's very durable, very nice, and they're also machine washable, so I like that a lot. And then the measuring spoon, of course I got gold ones. I do have some regular ones, but of course I wanted to get the gold ones. And I'm gonna be putting these away, and I'm gonna do a specific video to show you guys for some of them, not all of them. All right, so I got a set of spoons. So 2 sizes of forks, 1 knife, and 2 sizes of spoon. And there are 20 pieces in here. Again, all gold. These are from Marshall's. So let's get the Marshall stuff out of the way. You want to get the Marshall stuff out of the way?
Yes.
Okay, let's put it here. Good job. All right, this one is from Amazon. I'm gonna be doing a lot of green juices. So I wanted to get the, what are these called? I can't see.
Green juices.
The bottles. I wanted to get the bottles for the green juices. So I got these. This is a set of 8. It comes with the lid, and then it has the one. Can I see that?
Yes.
So you can put this one on and then use a straw. Otherwise, you have the regular lid. So these are from Amazon. I'll try to link it down below, okay? I'll try to link it if I can find the link. All right, this next one I'm really excited about. This is the seasoning rack. These are pretty cool. Let me go ahead and open this. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So this is what it looks like. It has to be set up, and I'm not gonna set it up right now, but these are pretty cool, and it goes into your cabinet, and these are the different spices. Okay, so basically this is what it looks like, and then you set your spices. Okay, it's just a canister, so you can add your spices. So there are 4 of them, and this is what it looks like, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 rows of 4, and you can put your own spices in them. They're pretty nice. See that? And then you can label them as well. This is from Amazon. You have all of the things that you need here. These are the labels. It comes with labels, so you don't have to worry about that. And it comes with all the stages, and it tells you what to do. Okay, y'all, so the next thing here is the juicer, the green juicer. I'm gonna show you guys how to use this, maybe not in this video. This was pretty expensive. It was about $150, but this thing works amazingly well. You just put your fruit in here and it literally juices any and everything. That is why I got these, because I'm gonna be using this to make my juice, and then I'm gonna store the juices in here in the refrigerator. Another one, let's go. This one is, let me show you. Let me open it up and show you all. This is from Amazon, by the way. Wow, this is so cool. Whoa. So this is for my spoons. I like that it's black. You can extend it or you can just use the middle one. These are the two extenders. You can extend it to make it longer, bigger, depending on the size of your drawer. And then you have the pieces here to make the division, and it's super easy. You just snap it in, super easy. All right, so you have your 4. I already have some gold stuff. These are for the longer things, you know, like your cook spoon, spatula, and things like that. But yeah, you can just add your forks, your knife, your spoon. But see how the gold and the black is so pretty? It stands out better. That's the look I was going for. So bigger spoons. And I haven't even opened up the other box of spoons. So smaller spoon. And then our bigger things can go here and here. These can go here and here. Well, that's too long, so maybe that can go here and there. But look how cool this looks. So I'm gonna organize this in my drawer later, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. What are you doing? I haven't even opened up that one. So yeah, this is what this looks like, and this is going to go into one of these. Are you excited about this one? All right, let's go ahead and open it. Pretty cool. Look at that. Ooh. All right, family. So since we're done unboxing everything, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything away. So this is the easiest way to do it. I already know where everything is going to go, so it's easier to just put them where they belong instead of putting them maybe in the pantry for now and then coming back to try to figure it out. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and put everything away, get it organized, and then that way I don't have to worry about it later. All right, y'all, as I said, this is my factor box. So all I'm gonna do now is open it up and organize it in the refrigerator. This has really been a time saver and a lifesaver for me because, as I said, it just cuts down on your time for cooking, cleaning, and doing all of that stuff. And y'all know I'm busy, y'all. Y'all know I run a few businesses. By the way, speaking of businesses, thank you all so much for your support on the launch or relaunch of Nimbat Lux, the aloe vera hair growth oil. We did amazing numbers, and I'm super grateful for all of you. All right, y'all, so once I have all of my stuff out, I just go ahead and put it away. And then, as I said, I choose the meal that I want to eat for the day, warm it up, and then just sit there and enjoy myself. The food is actually really, really good, y'all. They're really tasty. All right, family, let's go ahead and organize this stuff. I'm probably going to come back and redo this, but I just wanted to show you all what this looks like. So as you can see, it fills up the whole drawer, and you have the adjuster to make it smaller or bigger as you please. My drawers are pretty big, so I did go ahead and use the extenders. So these are my new towels. I have one area here for towels. Sometimes I put paper towel here, but sometimes I put towels here as well. And I'm also adding a beautiful black and white machine washable rug here. I'm going to put some grips underneath them, but I wanted to try it out to see how it looks, and it looks amazing. It blends really well. So again, putting the rest of my food away. It's nice to have an organized refrigerator, but I'm not going to lie, my refrigerator is not always organized. That's why I'm not showing you guys the whole thing. If you guys want to see a fridge organization / grocery video, please comment down below. I love watching those, but I don't think I've ever done one of those, so I would love to do one of those for you guys. Anyway, just washing the dishes and putting everything away. I'm also washing the tray here before I put it away. We're gonna save the rest of Nadia's birthday cake in here. Can you guys believe it? Nadia is 6 years old. If you're an OG on this channel, you know that I started my channel before Nadia was even thought of. And then I got pregnant. Then I had her. I had a difficult pregnancy. I took you guys, or you guys came along the journey with me. I share that here on my channel as well. And now she's 6, y'all. She is 6 years old. She's in kindergarten. She'll be in 1st grade next year. It's just amazing how time flies. And it's so amazing that all of this, you guys have seen all of this right before your eyes, right here on camera. You guys have also seen that we've had a lot of ups and downs. We've had some major life-changing events. We've moved around quite a bit, but now I'm so grateful to God that I can provide for Nadia a stable, safe environment where she can thrive, she can grow, and she can just have beautiful memories here. I'm doing the best I can as a mother. I'm not perfect. I'm sure there are areas where I can improve, but I'm doing the best I can and the best I know how to. And I'm just grateful for where we are right now. Super grateful. So anyway, after putting all of the stuff away, I decided to do a little cleaning. You guys know I'm obsessed with cleaning. I do a lot of cleaning videos here. If you're new here, if you love the cleaning videos, make sure to stick around. These are one of my favorite videos to do. It's just so satisfying to watch, and it's also satisfying for me to create. And I'm grateful that you guys love them as well. So stick around for that. If you want to know more about this vacuum as well, comment vacuum cleaner down below and I'll make a detailed video about it. It's amazing. I really like it. So, well, I'll make a video for that. I'll make a video of that for you all. So by the way, speaking of Nadia's birthday, she actually went to school today. So today is her birthday. She went to school earlier. She had an amazing time at school. So what we did was we created little goodie bags for she and her friends. And, it's like candy and stickers and just little fun things that kids love. We're not allowed to take cake to her school, like any open food, so it has to be sealed and closed to be safe to take to the kids. So we did that. Grandma and I made little goodie bags. She has like 28 kids in her class, including herself, and then there are 3 other teachers. It's a pretty big class in my opinion, but anyway, we made that and she took it to school with her, and her teacher emailed me and said that whoever's birthday it is, they get to wear a crown, a birthday crown, and then the class sings happy birthday, and then the person gets to pass out the candy or little treats with the rest of the classmates. I was cleaning here and Nadia wanted to help me vacuum. I told you guys she's very helpful. Nadia has become so helpful, and she doesn't mind being in the video as long as she's doing something. But if I just have the camera on her and asking her to do things, she's like, I'm out of here. She'll disappear in a heartbeat. But y'all know, if you've seen any of my cleaning videos, her signature is to be jumping around and running around like she's doing here. Some people are like, you have so much patience, because sometimes I'll do something and she'll undo it, but it's just part of the process. She keeps me busy and I love her. So comment happy birthday to Nadia down below. Also, I want to say thank you to Factor Meals for sponsoring today's video. Comment your favorite part of today's video down below, and also let me know what you want to see next. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.